The Hyundai Santa Fe has been fully redesigned for 2018, with updated style, better handling, and unique safety features. We think this midsize SUV is just right for buyers who want extra space but don't need 3 rows. Just how good it is depends on how well it's equipped. The Santa Fe's base 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine is smooth, and it provides predictable power delivery. But the optional turbo engine sometimes unexpectedly hesitates or lurches forward. Similarly, the Santa Fe's already firm ride gets even less comfortable if you choose the larger 19-inch wheels that come on turbo versions. Otherwise, we liked the Santa Fe's responsive steering and predictable handling, which gave our drivers confidence rounding corners on our test track. Getting in and out of the Santa Fe is easy thanks to its large doors and its hip-height seats. Once inside, the seats are supportive and comfortable, and there's plenty of head and leg room, especially in the back. The Santa Fe has a modern, clean, and nicely finished cabin, with well-padded surfaces and brushed metal accents and rich materials. The controls are an example of very good ergonomics. They're clear to read and easy to master. Cargo space is decent, but we were disappointed that the Santa Fe didn't come with a standard cargo cover. It's a dealer-installed accessory. All Santa Fe's are equipped with a full complement of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking and blind spot warning. Hyundai added several new, clever features to the Santa Fe. The driver attention warning system gives an alert if it detects signs of drowsy or distracted driving. The Safe Exit Assist feature warns occupants when a vehicle is approaching as they open a door, and it keeps the rear doors locked until the car is passed. The SEL Plus and above trim levels come with Rear Occupant Alert, which tells the driver if a pet or a child has been left in the rear seat. Although every Santa Fe comes with plenty of usable interior space, good visibility, and easy-to-use controls, our advice would be to skip the turbo and stick with the base engine. To learn more about midsize SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.